My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools gladly know.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My name is Sammy, also known as New Wifey, and we are just going to get into it, guys. We are organizing my tiny spice rack. It is a hot mess. We are also going to do some cleaning. Let's get to it. For today's project, I did purchase a couple items. These are from Walmart, 2 for $1.97. I will link everything below. These are from Etsy, and my spicy shelf rack is also from Walmart. This thing is amazing.
Like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help. But I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools gladly know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel...
Alright, so most of you guys know I like to chunk my project. That's the only way I can do things. So the first thing I do is I take everything out. Now this is kind of embarrassing because half of my spice rack, spice pantry, whatever you want to call it, has like a bunch of medicine that I just shoved in there. So yeah, we're going to take everything out.
Yeah, I want something deeper. If I found it, I'ma keep on. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know how much fighting for. You show me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we get nearer.
This is the fun part, guys. I was able to take all those little stickers and place them onto my containers. And these stickers I actually purchased from somebody from Etsy, so I was supporting local business, which I love to do. As you can tell, I was not perfect at this at all. It definitely took a couple of tries to make it straight, but eventually I got the hang of it.
But I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find it, I'ma keep on. Not saying I'm some genius, but smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for.
project is definitely messy, as you can tell. We made kind of like a funnel to put the spice into the new container. It kind of worked well. Definitely recommend getting a funnel, or, you know, make one like we did, get creative with it. But it is a bit of a mess, but it is so well worth it.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna mess around. You're the only one I want there at the end of my story. It's the only thing I figured out, 'cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down, no, 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 I don't wanna let you down.
Guys, I am so happy with how this turned out. I can actually see all of my spices now. Thank you, Spicy Shelf. And this literally looks straight out of Pinterest. I'm so happy. Is anyone else like so excited that Ross, Marshalls, and HomeGoods are now open? So this living room is definitely getting a makeover, hopefully this weekend or next weekend. If you guys have any suggestions, drop them in my comments. Let me know what you guys think. I was kind of thinking about new chairs, a new rug, maybe like a farmhouse look. Let me know what you guys think below. Guys, My hand blender came in and I am so excited. Definitely using these for soups. You can use them to chop. They have multiple uses. I can also drop that below. So before we renovated our floors, I never really dusted my baseboards, but guys, you have to dust your baseboards. Happy adulting. I use my Swiffer. I have a 6-foot Swiffer I got on Amazon. I can link it below as well. This is amazing. You also dust your doors with this tool and it makes such a difference.
Together on a random Tuesday night. When your world is upside down, it'll always set you right. So pour it out, drink it up in a Waterford or a Dixie cup. Pour gold in this glass, 'cause that color red never looks so good, so good. Down to the last drop, I'm not gonna stop. Don't care if I should. It's a love affair that'll stand the test of time. Women in white. Got a bottle saved, baby, and it's driving me crazy. I just wanna break it out. Get dressed up, catch us a buzz, and dance like we're downtown. Under city lights, drink it in. Flying high and feelings in. Oh, gold in this glass, 'cause that color red never looks so good, so good. Down to the last drop, I'm not gonna stop. Don't care if I should, You know two things only get better with time. Women in white. Ooh, it goes down so smooth. Ooh, it makes me want to pour gold in this glass, 'cause that color red never looks so good, so good. Let's pour gold in this glass. That color red never looks so good, so good. Down to the last drop, I'm not gonna stop. Don't care if I should, You know two things only get better with time. They're the two things that are always right. Women in white. Goes down so smooth. Women in white. Goes down so smooth. Women in
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you cleaning inspiration. I hope it gave you organizing inspiration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.